Okay, so we're on to module 2.1, subject pronouns or pronomi personali soggetto. Okay, and here's where we're at on the pyramid. I'm just going to show you at the beginning of each module how far you've come on the pyramid. So right now we're at the bottom pretty much. Okay, but don't worry, you will, before you know it, you'll be all the way at the top. Okay, pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun, or un pronome, is a word that takes the place of a noun or phrase. How many kinds of pronouns are there in Italian? There are many different categories of pronouns in Italian, and some pronouns can be used in a lot of different ways. This course will cover only the most essential ones so as not to be overly confusing. Then you can add more as you progress. Okay, so the point of this course is to introduce you to everything and make sure that you have a good understanding of the fundamentals. And I'm gonna try my best to not overwhelm you with too many details that you just don't need to know at the beginning. So which pronouns will we be covering in this course? We'll be covering the following: subject pronouns, aka personal pronouns; reflexive pronouns, which will be covered along with reflexive verbs; and finally, object pronouns. So we have the direct object pronouns and indirect object pronouns. Okay, so if you don't know what these are yet, we will be going over them throughout the course. Okay,